Hi, my name is Nicole, and this is a short video showing a sequence of photos on my process painting surfer stripes. Starting with simple stick figures, I try to gauge proportions and body positions. Then I wash in some red oxide to tone down the white canvas and start thinking about light shadow areas. Once I feel the structure starts falling into place, I begin the fun part, which is coloring it in. In this case, I start from sky to water to stripes on the board and then swim trunks. I pay particular attention to the surfer leaning over and balancing on one foot and adjust the warm cools and lights and shadow colors on his back to help with the illusion of shoulders rolling over. With the painting now coming together, I feel like I'm coming up to the finish line, back and forth of adjusting details, color, values, and trying to keep brushwork fresh. But the hardest part is knowing when to stop and call surfer stripes finished. Thanks for watching this video. You can see more of my videos on YouTube, Nicole White Kennedy, or visit my website at nicolestudio.com.